Hi, I'm Laura and you're watching another CA Fellowship video. Today we are going to be learning about spending and saving money. This week's Unplugged activity is a board game. In this game, you are trying to save money to buy your best friend a deliciously gigantic birthday cake and some other things to prepare for the party. You have 3 weeks to save your money for this party, but you may come across some situations where you have to spend it. Now I'll show you the game's contents. We have 2 different colored dice, game pieces, I'm only using one, the game board, and the game cards. All right. So, notice this thick and bold $sign under the cake. That's the allowance circle. Every time you pass by this circle or your piece goes over it, you will get $25 starting now. So, now we add $25 to our money counter. I'm going to write it out just so you can see. Decide which color dice will match up with the horizontal, which runs left to right like this, or vertical, which runs up and down like this, numbers on the sides of the chance card grid. You will not be able to change which dice rolls for which side during the game, but you can still choose how many dice. All right. Okay, so we don't actually have any real money to give you, but you and your fellow will keep track of everything that goes in and out of your savings. So after you and the other players decide who goes first, you will place your pieces on the $sign at the start of the game. Remember, you and your fellow should be updating the position of both of your pieces every turn. You can also decide who goes first by rolling dice to see who gets a higher number or who is younger in age. So next, roll your dice. So I'm going to start my piece here. Roll the 1 die or 2 of them if you decide to roll both. The number of your dice roll or rolls will also be the number of spaces you get to move. Refer to the chance card grid. Use the numbers of the dice to see what spot of the grid you get. So confused? That's okay. Look to the left for visual help. If I rolled a 3 and 4, 3 plus 4 equals 7. So therefore, I get to move 7 spaces. If I land on a chance card, I must roll 2 die. The 3 going up and down and the 4 going side to side would be used to graph your chance card. You can gain or lose money based on the spot on the chance card grid that you got. It says, your friends ask you to go get lunch at McDonald's. You spend $10 or eat at home. So now you have the option to spend money or you can save. I'm going to choose to eat at home and save my $10. So now I'm going to roll again. I rolled 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So once again, I'm going to use 1 dice to go across 3. 1, 2, 3. The other one is 1, so I'm going to go down 1. So it says, you kept up your grades at school. Your school rewarded you with a gift card. So I earned $25, and I'm going to add 25 to my allowance. And now I have 50. All right. So, what happens when you go around once? I'm gonna keep rolling until I go around once. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Across 3, 1, 2, 3. Down 2, 1, 2. Oh, you kept up your grades at school. Your school rewarded you a gift card of $25. So now I'm going to add $25 to my total. $75. That's my total. All right. So the goal of this game is to go around 3 times. So I'm going to keep going just to go around 3 times.
So 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down 3, 1, 2, 3. You don't want to take out the trash every week, so instead you pay your sibling to do it. Every week you lose. Minus $7. So that puts you at 68. Now I have $68. So now I'm going to keep going.
9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I passed this money sign, so I get $25 more. So now I have 93. That's my new total after I added 25. Make sure you're keeping track of your money. So I'm going to keep going till I go around 3 times. Okay, so now I've gone around 3 times. And here we have our 3-tier cake. Notice it says only pass after at least 3 times. So now since we passed this 3 times already, we can go up, and depending on how much money you have, so I have $118. So depending on how much money you have, you can pay for a 1-tier cake, which costs $50, $75 cake if you have $75, or a $100 cake with 3 tiers. So since I have $118, I can get a $100 cake, and I'm gonna decide that I'm gonna spend my leftover money on some forks and plates for the cake. All right. So that's it. This game is all about luck, but hopefully you will learn the effects of spending and saving money. This is Laura from the CA Fellowship signing out.